This is one of our favourites, vegetable kofta. Let's show you how we make it. To start off with, we need to prep our vegetables. So start by chopping your vegetables and then adding them to the top part of your steamer set. We're also going to add some frozen peas to the top part of the steamer set. To the bottom part, we're going to boil some water, then add about 9 medium potatoes, which will be peeled and chopped in half. And then place the top part of the steamer set on top of that and put the lid on top. This will allow all of our vegetables to cook at once. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Whilst the veg is boiling, we can prep our sauce. This creamy coconutty sauce really helps to bring the dish together and elevates the kofta. So to a large pan, add some sunflower oil and 3 bay leaves, followed by 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and give that a good mix. Add about 1½ teaspoons of ground cumin. Again, give that a good mix and let the spices cook for a bit to really bring out their flavour. And add 1/2 teaspoon of ground cardamom. Again, mix really well and give that some time to cook. To this, we're going to add 1/2 cup of ground almonds, then give it all a good mix and leave those to roast for a little while. Season with some salt and then bring some heat with 1 to 2 teaspoons of chili powder. We're also going to add about 1 teaspoon of garam masala to this. Give it all a good mix and then add some freshly grated ginger. This combination of spices is what makes this sauce truly delicious. Mix all of this together very well and then you can add your tomatoes. So we're going to add in about 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, which we've blended to make them nice and smooth. Give that all a good mix and then add 1 tin of coconut milk. Mix in the coconut milk well. Once that's all incorporated in, we're going to add some passata and we're going to put in about 250 grams of passata. Again, give that all a good mix and then leave it on the side to simmer. By the time you've made your sauce, your vegetables should be ready. So drain your potatoes and take out your steamed vegetables. Place all the steamed vegetables, so the carrots, peas and cauliflower, into a large bowl and then mash them until it's nice and smooth. Once you've mashed your steamed vegetables for a little while, add your potatoes and continue to mash them until the potatoes are nice and smooth and incorporated into the mix. When you're done, it should look like this. To really bring these vegetables to life, we need to season them well and add some spices. So first we're going to add some salt, then garam masala, ground cinnamon, shredded coconut, some green chilli, and give it all a good mix. Once that's mixed in, add some lemon juice and then give it all a good mix again. Then you want to shape your kofta, so we've portioned them into about tablespoon sized portions, roll them into the balls and slightly flatten them. Spray them with olive oil spray and then place them into the air fryer basket. You want to air fry these at 190 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. Don't forget to flip them over halfway and spray them with olive oil spray again. Once they're cooked, it's time for the best bit, serving that delicious kofta. So add that delicious creamy tomatoey coconutty sauce that you made earlier to a large bowl and then add your kofta. You can top with some coriander and a little bit of yogurt. This is great to serve with some naan or rice. Just look how good that looks. For more air fryer recipes like this, don't forget to check out our other videos.